Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my third video of the day because like all of the shares we are holding today, they are all flying. So I'm so happy today. So I made a video on SKLZ and the share price is 30% up. I made another video on PNGO. I think it is up like 9 to 10%. And again, this is I'm making on this particular stock Fisker for ticker symbol FSR. And if you do not know, this is an electric vehicle company, one of the very stylish electric vehicle company, and I like it a lot. And whenever it will be in production, I want to buy this particular one. So anyway, so what's the news? This is up 10%, and this is it has a good run up today. It has a good run up today, and currently it is moving sideways, and I think it is forming for another push up. So what happened yesterday, like some price upgrade came, so I'll talk about that. And the share price went up, then after that it came down because the market was not doing good, so it came down. But again this morning it went up, came down, and now you see it is grinding up. And the good thing is, if I look at the trend, just an easy one, you can see how it is how this one is holding the trend line here. You see here, so it's going up, coming down, going up, coming down. So as long it is holding the line and making higher lows, I think this one will go higher, correct? And I will come back to the chart. I will talk more about the support, resistance, and some call option playing opportunity for this particular stock for making some money. But before that, let's go back to the news, why the share price went up yesterday. So what happened yesterday? Bank of America analyst John Murphy gave Fisker stock a buy rating with a price target of 31. This comes after the financial institute said it believes that the electric vehicle manufacturer is a beneficiary of the automotive industry evolution towards electrification, right? So it was a price target of 31 with a buy rating, so it was a good news, right? And the share price went up. If I go to Nasdaq, so you can see it has a strong buy rating, and you can see the names here, and it has an average price target of 26.5 and a high of 40. And Bank of America came with 31. The current share price is only $14. So if you go think about 31 or even the average 26, it is like almost 100% potential to go there. Again, these are EV growth stock, and we know recently the growth stocks are heavily beaten down. So on a long-term perspective, think about 30, not like next week. But we will talk about making money for this week and next week as well. So let's look at the chart. Yesterday after the news, it came all the way to 14.3, then came down, and we are making a U-shaped recovery, and it looks so good. We could not break, so we came down, we went up, and we might come down, and we can complete a cup and handle recovery. And after that we can go just way up, or we can go up, come down, bounce on the support, and go up. So if you enter now, wait for the breakout of 14.31, or see if it goes up and comes down, or if it can hold 14.3, then you can enter. Because if the share price can hold 14.3, this is a very good sign for this particular stock. And is it only me I'm saying about 14.3? No, even if you go to Benzinga, there is an article, it also talks about 14.3 is the new resistance, and it talks about a support of $11. But I think we are currently close to 14.3, so this is not important. But 14.3, this is what is important. If you go to finviz.com, just look at the short interest, it is 15.69, not bad. But look at the institutional ownership, 38%. That's a lot, right? Okay, now move let's move to a daily chart. Before that, I just want to delete, I can't delete anyway, it's not important. So just looking at a daily chart, I don't want these lines, so let's get rid of them. Yeah, so let's look at a daily chart here. First of all, if I look at RSI, it was oversold. Anything below 30, RSI is oversold. It was extremely oversold. So for back-to-back 2 days, now we are pointing up. This is a very good sign. The share price is going higher. The RSI is moving upward. Same time, you see the MACD, the blue line is about to curl. You see it's curling, and soon it will cross, and hopefully it will go high if the momentum continues. But again, this is a choppy market, anything can happen. The market can be completely red tomorrow, so keep that in mind. Just do not just jump with all of your money and then you watch it to come down again. But let's assume this will be continued because it looks really good. The price looks good. Yesterday it went up, came down, but today you see the daily candle looks really healthy because it has a long wick at the bottom and the whole body is at the top, so really good. So 14.3, as I said, we need to go over 14.3, and if we go 14.3 and we can rest over 14.3 for some time, this is an excellent thing for the support. And why 14.3? You see 14.3, the green line here was a support for some time, and currently this is a resistance. But once 14.3 is broken, I think the next upside is like around 15.9 to $16. Let's call it $16, right? Because you see again $16, it was support for some time, and again resistance here, then again support here. So 16 would be the next resistance. Once 16 is done, I think 17.7, and again 17.7. You see the line here, it was resistance before, and again it will be resistance, and after 17.7 maybe 21.8. but this is not this week or next week, so I'm not going that far. But just look at these lines here, 16 and 17.7. so hopefully the share price will go higher in coming days, and I'm not expecting it will come down. In case the market is terrible, then look at the support here, right? 12.2, it was the previous support here. 12.2, you can see it was resistance before, it was support before. So in case the market is terrible, it might come back to 12.2. grab some share because you know there is a price target of 31. Other than that, watch for 14.3 and 16 and 17.7. now I want to talk about call option because I'm playing some call option because when the market is bull, then call option really gives you good profit, and especially the market is running today. So I played some call option today and made a lot of money. So looking at the May 21st monthly call option expiry date, which will give you 30 days of expiration date. And first of all, when you want to buy a call or put, you need to see what is the price or break even you are thinking. I'm expecting 14.3, I'm expecting $16 is my target, the next resistance. So whenever I look at a call option, my break even should be 16, close to 16. Let's say if I choose 14 strike and my premium is 187, my break even will be 15.9, let's say $16. So you can go with this one, or you can go with this one, right? And you can see today all of the shares are higher. So if you spend some money on this one, 160, you are up today by 50%. You see, playing with call option is always fun because the share price is up only 9%, but your call option is up 50%, 53%. That is why on a bull market I love to play with call option, and on a bear market I love to accumulate more shares and I love to average down. And it is also important to look at the delta. If you choose $13 strike price, your delta is 66. $1 increase will give you $66, and your break even is 15.5, which is good. Or you can choose this one. For me, I might like this one, 13 strike with 248 premium. So my 15.5 is my break even, and for $1 increase in the share price, I will get $66. Again, up to you. If you do not want to risk a lot of money, then maybe you can go with $14. Your premium is like 186, or you can go down, but do not go anything with way out of the money like $19 strike and pay 72, because in case it does not go to 19.7 by May, your entire premium $72 will be gone. So always look at what is the price point you are looking, that will be your break even. Then you deduct the premium from the break even, and then you choose your strike price. I think in that case we are playing safe. Also look at the delta and implied volatility for sure. So anyway, my friends, I wanted to bring why the share price is going higher, what is the support, what is the resistance, and how can we make quick money playing some call option. Definitely there is a long-term potential, but also if you are a day trader or a swing trader or just want to make some quick money. So anyway, my friends, if you find any of the information useful, then please click on the like button. It takes 1 second, and then subscribe to my channel and also select the all notifications so that you get all of my notifications. I gave 3 videos this morning, and after publishing the video, all of them ran higher, and some of the call option I had on skills like over 200%. So we are making money today, so do not be left behind. Subscribe to my channel, stay with me, and let's make some money. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.